Photoshop Beta has a new feature that allows you to apply this embroidery patch effect to your graphics. Let's try it out. Before we start, you have to install Photoshop Beta in the Creative Cloud by going to Apps. Here you have a tab for Beta, and here's Photoshop Beta. So here I have a vector drawing, and to access this effect, go to Filter, then Parametric Filters, and select Embroidery. In the window that opens, we have a lot of settings to customize this effect. The first setting we have is Resolution, which will determine how detailed the effect will be. We can also choose to randomize the threads or input a seed. We can choose the light angle and the number of colors. That can simplify the effect. We can also select an embroidery style and make adjustments to the threads, like choosing the thickness, length, or even adding some imperfections. Then here at the bottom, we can customize each color. We can insert a custom code, choose a design, adjust the orientation, or the height. You really have a lot of possibilities to make it look exactly how you want. Go ahead and try it out for your own logos and let us know your thoughts in the comments. If you want to learn more, check out this other video on the screen. Thank you and see you next time.
This is Creative Society.